Today we're gonna make some. What are we gonna make, guys?
Cake.
Drum roll. Somebody give me a drum roll. Do you guys know what a drum roll is?
No.
We're gonna make some confetti cupcakes.
Justice for Gotham.
And we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. We have some eggs for the cupcakes, some frosting, and where's the sprinkles? Right here. Still have some leftover Valentine's Cupid sprinkles.
Let's see.
We're gonna put on the cupcakes.
Reina, big little.
Yes, we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. I'm Veronica. This is Cloney.
No, I'm Reina.
This is Rada. It's Dhino.
Justice. I'm Justice. No, his name is Dingo. That's why he say that word every time. Fine. I'm Justice. And he actually says for baby.
She's a little weird.
No, I'm not. Where you get this from, Alondra?
Target.
Okay.
Wiping down the pans to put the cookies in.
Target, rinse it.
What the fuck? Alright, we'll make 24 cupcakes.
Emma, wait a minute. Sorry. Come on, bastard. Yo, chat. Look at this. You know where we're at? We're outside.
Hey, you want to know where we at?
We outside. Lord. In the God's name.
Yeah, just splashing everybody with it.
Hey, wait,
No. Crack it on your head?
No.
Yeah,
No. Okay. Put the whole thing, girl.
Sorry. You okay? Like a little bit.
No.
I said a little bit.
You say so much.
That's not nice. You have to be nice.
Yeah. No, I don't.
Wait, hey, alright. Slowly, okay? Perfect, Rita, good job. Okay, dump it in there. Yes.
Yes, great.
Cover this up before it spills.
Wait, we're gonna put egg on it now?
Yeah,
Just water. We need water in
1 cup of water.
First, now we need eggs.
3 whole eggs.
No.
Don't do it too hard, okay?
Yeah. Reina?
I swear to God, that kid had to get grounded.
Look at all that. Look at all them chickens. Look at all that flour still there. Yes, Chef Dhino.
Nice. Get into it.
That's it. I'm gonna make a tornado.
Here, let me have another.
Yo, Chad, you know how to cook these?
Egg.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Fuck.
What the hell?
Sorry, I didn't mean to curse.
What the hell?
It's okay. We got it.
Oh, shit.
That egg did not want to go in there, bro. Okay.
Now this is done. Now?
Yeah, we'll do it for. Do you know what?
Be careful, make sure you get it inside the thing.
We got to make.
Oh.
Oh, we just take it with it. That's big, like a giant.
Perfect.
Like a man.
Pan.
Oh.
Now they're all in. Ready to be put. And
Oh. Now we gotta wait.
For 1 million hours. Can we draw?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna rate the cupcakes
And
and the cookies.
Cookie is in the heart thingy.
Alright. So we finished doing the chocolate chip cookies and we got the cupcakes ready. Now we're gonna try them, test them out, and rate them. Alright. So these cookies kind of got a little burnt, I think, but they're still pretty soft.
American. American.
Pretty good. 1 to 5.
5.
5, Reina?
10 out of 10.
Okay.
It's crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy, nice and chocolatey. I'll give it a 5.
I give it a 10 out of 10. No, yeah.
Now we're gonna try the cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Reina's.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal of...
Take a plain one.
The only way.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it out.
It's fluffy.
Confettis is always the best.
Yeah.
You guys comment what your favorite food or your favorite snack. And you
Comment below.
yeah. Comment
Vero
a
channel.
comment a food emoji.
Yeah. And send the picture. I'm just kidding. Do not send the picture.
Fucking ugh. Sorry.
Yeah. You thought what?
What? Alright, so Alondra's gonna rate the cupcake now. This is Alondra.
It's a negative 100.
Dhino! We got a negative 100, bro.
I'm just kidding. It's a positive 100. So good.
Okay guys, we'll see you in the other video.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Maybe we'll make some. What do you guys want to make next video?
A pizza.
Ooh,
Pizza.
Okay.
Alright, our next video, we're gonna be making a pizza
Yeah.
at Alondra's house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay guys.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment down below, give us a like, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
Subscribe and like.
You know where we at?
we outside.
In the night.
And I get money.
She sold a cupcake for $1.
Okay. Thank you for the subscribe.
And make cupcake with your family. You need help. Actually, you're
And
too
share.
young.
Don't forget to share. Shared. Yeah.
We got fights, do it still. Both sides like some girls. Both sides like some